Here's how to use SnapMap to connect with local audiences. Now, before I'm going to proceed with this one, I think this one is more in line to business owners. So if you are a business owner and you want to be able to connect with local audiences, then I think the best way to do this one is by having your business added here in SnapMap. Now, there are different ways to add your business here in SnapMap, but yeah, that's due for another tutorial. But basically what I have here is an example. So if I were to go ahead and open, say, this particular business right here, I can go ahead and click that over there. And then if I were to go ahead and scroll this up, you should be able to see here basically things or snaps that were added by different people. So I can go ahead and click them one by one in order for me to see them. Now, this is gonna be the best way for you to connect to your local audiences because they will know exactly what you're doing, what your business is all about. If you are selling food, then they are also going to see it here. So there are different activities that you can do by just browsing through the SnapMap or by having people browse through your SnapMap. And I think that is definitely for good. So again, best way for you to get this done is by adding your business and then going towards posting, say for example, stories here in your SnapMap. So I have this one as an example. As you can see, this is for people who loves to be able to see what you're selling, foods that you're selling, for example, the location, the beauty of it. And yep, this is definitely amazing. So again, everybody, that is how you are going to use SnapMap to connect with your local audiences.